god, look at that.
Yeah, I haven't seen that since 2011.
Oh, there's a
Kingaroy, Queensland, Australia, December 30th, 2024. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for parts of Queensland. The Bureau of Meteorology (BOM) has forecast heavy rain and damaging winds for the Central Highlands and Coalfields, wide Bay and Burnett, Maranoa and Warrego, Darling Downs and Granite Belt in the southeast. We've got some areas of heavy rainfall, particularly around the Kingaroy area in the South Burnett, BOM senior meteorologist Steve Hadley said.
There's a bit of moisture.
Look at this here. There's a bin washed up in there.
Heavy rain is also likely to return to Kingaroy, with police issuing emergency warnings for the town. Dalby recorded 68 mm in 2 hours this afternoon, while nearby Moffat recorded 53 mm in an hour. Saddle Creek, in central Queensland, southwest of Rolleston, recorded 62 mm in an hour. Queensland police are now urging residents of Kingaroy to remain vigilant as part of the Watch and Act warning.
Holy! A little bit of rain, but not kayak weather.
The duck pond is nearly...
Severe damage to infrastructure in the affected areas has been reported, including 2 major intersections in the city. A severe thunderstorm warning for Gympie, Somerset and South Burnett councils warned of slow-moving thunderstorms at 7:13 p.m. The storm is expected to reach the northwest of Jimna and the eastern Nanango area by 8 p.m.
Over the road of duck pond on the line.
These fellas here walking around. Kingaroy Mall. She's a buddy. We're catching fish down there soon. see.
Other severe thunderstorm warnings have been issued for the Central Highlands and Coalfields, Wide Bay and Burnett, Maranoa and Warrego, Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast districts and the southeast coast. A moist and unstable air mass combined with an upper trough is producing severe thunderstorms, the Bureau's warning said.
Your backyard's flooded, mate. Steps all flooded.